And the storms hit as dozens of families in Germantown work to bounce back from extensive damage from flash flooding. Shelby County is lending a hand, adding $100,000 in its operating budget to help victims recover. Roughly 200 homes suffered substantial damage when areas in the central part of the city flooded during a heavy rainstorm earlier this month. Now, after yesterday's vote, Mayor Mike Palazzolo, he sounded off against claims that the drainage system was to blame.
That's completely inaccurate. Yeah, our systems, our stormwater conveyance system is routinely checked, maintained, maintenanced, cleared, the inlets are checked. So one thing we have a great deal of pride in is our stormwater conveyance system has been built and designed for a 10-year flood event.
And the Germantown Kiwanis Club has been selected to handle the distribution of the funds, and that's to qualified victims. The mayor says crews are still assessing the damage and are working to see if it will qualify for state and federal funding as well.